Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. On our last video we made some delicious bottles of tiger nut drink, and I promised to share some tips on how we can make our tiger nut drink last longer and also taste and smell very delicious. So this is what our tiger nut drink looked like when it was freshly made, and this is what it looks like after freezing for 2 weeks. I am going to thaw and I'm going to defrost my tiger nut drink and show you guys. It's going to still look like it was just freshly made. This is our tiger nut drink after defrosting. It looks and tastes delicious just like the freshly made tiger nut drink. Now let's go into some of the tips. I would first of all advise, the first thing I would say is that you should use fresh tiger nut. Okay, you should use fresh tiger nut if you want to achieve the best results with your tiger nut drink. But if you cannot get your hands on fresh tiger nut, go ahead and use the dried tiger nut. Now for you to use the dried tiger nut, you have to soak it in water. This is another process that can cause your drink to go bad easily if you do not take care. So when you're soaking your tiger nuts, don't leave it open in an area where anything can drop in it and it can get contaminated. Okay, also do not soak it in water for longer than 48 hours, and when you soak it in water, wake up the next day, change the water, like put fresh water into your tiger nut. Do not just allow it to stay in the water that you originally soaked it in. Okay, now another thing that can cause your tiger nut to not taste good and not smell good is if you're using a public blender or a public machine. Right now, I know that for a lot of people you might not have a blender that would be able to crush the nuts. So you would now have to turn to a public machine. If you must use a public machine, you want to insist that they really thoroughly wash their machines, because you're not sure of what was previously grinded in it before you brought your tiger nut. Okay, so you want to take that into consideration. But if you have a machine at home that can blend your tiger nuts, please by all means use your home blender. Okay, now when you are blending your tiger nuts, you want to use cold water. Don't use water that is warm. Use like very cold water. In fact, I would say that when you want to make your tiger nut, put some water in your fridge so that you keep using just it when you are blending your tiger nuts. Another thing you want to do is that you have to wash your hands thoroughly when squeezing out the juice from your chiffon cloth. Okay, you want to really wash your hands. Even if you're using a glove, you want to ensure that the glove is clean, because like I said in the video where we're making our juice, sometimes we go ahead and use gloves that are not clean, and it doesn't make any sense because you are even contaminating whatever food you're handling more. Okay, another tip you want to consider when you're bottling your tiger nut drink, ensure that the bottles you're using are very clean, and then immediately you are done, pop your tiger nut drinks into the freezer. Keep them fresh, or you pop them into the fridge, whichever it is you're going to be using, but you want to ensure that it's in a very, very cold environment. Okay, also do not use a lot of coconut, because it will cause the drink to it will have this curbing effect. Coconut has a lot of oil, so it's going to make it to start what's the word, is it coagulating really quickly. So do not use a lot of coconut when you are making your tiger nut drink. Thank you so much for watching this video. These are all the tips I could share. If you have ever made tiger nut drink and it went bad, you want to try it again and put into consideration everything I just said. If you have made it before and you have some tips to give us, please do well to share that with us in the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.